And my ideating cards, thank you collab cards. So it says we have 58 cards helping, 10 million, think out of the box. And then ideating cards instantly switch on power from the air to the head to your hands. And so within it, we get a pen. Here are the ideating cards. And there's, they're amazing. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. And they have fronts and backs. So we see there's double-sided. Within that, we also have cards for writing, musing, and writing down inspiration. And we also have our pads for being able to write. So thank you so much, collab cards. I'm so excited to use these as I continue to work on what's next. And also for anybody who is a fan, look out. Feel free to go to collab cards and order yours today.